It's about 14 hours ago now that I put the varathane on, and I was concerned that there could possibly be a chemical reaction between this old paint and the varathane, but for the most part they're okay, except for this one. This one is a little bit sticky. I don't know why. The other side isn't. Just this one. No, isn't that weird? Anyway, let's press them together. We are now at the place where we are going to do something a little bit different. As one of the viewers commented, we obviously can't use the clip. It's just not going to work. Unless I was to maybe rebend it a little bit, I could try that. But then it's going to kind of look funny. I'm going to go along with not using the clip at all. I think it'll be better. This will be the kind of pen that you just leave laying on your desk. For sure, it's not going to roll off the desk. Anyway, normally you'd put the clip on here and then press it all together. But we're not going to use the clip. I think that should go in just a little further. Well, that's all it wants to go. Now, I was kind of worried that possibly I had shortened the brass tube too much when I was doing the barrel trimmer thing. However, the other three were exactly the same way. Now we're at the point where I had a problem a year or two ago when I did the cushion grip, and that is that I found that the spring was too tight. And it didn't matter which way I put it on. This way it's nice and loose. You put it on this way, it's kind of tight. It sort of wants to bind. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the loose way and see if this one is going to work. See, the idea is that every time it goes in and out, it turns a quarter of a turn. And, well, we'll just try this one. Maybe this kit will be okay. It seems to me that I found that half of them worked okay and half of them would bind. See, I can actually feel it binding in there. Okay, now it shouldn't do that. So, what I'm going to do is the same as I did on the other kits that I made, the cushion grip kits that is. I'm going to snip off about, well, not quite 1/4 of an inch, but anyway, we'll give that a try. That solved the problem last time. Okay, this is the end that's loose right there. So I want to snip off the end that is a little bit tight. I'll take off about that much. Okay, we'll try it now. Okay, now it's free. It's not binding and it turns freely. Well, let's try it and see if it's going to work. Okay. Well, okay. The other three, I'm going to put them together exactly the same way. No use showing you because it'll be the same thing all over again. A little bit dusty here, but we'll clean that up. Yeah. Well, they're not quite as bad as I thought they were going to be. Well, I know that you know what's going to happen next. And this series is over. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Aren't these ugly?